So this is out of series of webinars we are doing. This is a webinar on data interpretation. So 1 second, let me see this. I will start the timer also. Can you see the timer on the screen? All of you can see the timer on the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, Bharadwaj, fine. Vinay Krishna saying yes. Okay, fine. Right. So the basic purpose of giving you timer is so that you can work out the questions within the stipulated time. This is a prelim level examination for data interpretation. So we'll be discussing prelim level questions of IBPS RRB PO, IBPS RRB Clerk, and IBPS Clerk. The exams which are scheduled in during the months of August and September. So we'll be discussing questions based on this. So we have already done few webinars on other areas. Now we are discussing data interpretation. Whenever we have mains, you cleared your prelim exams, we will also do main exam level sets. The most important point which you should understand here is actually when people look at data interpretation, they generally are afraid of DI questions. But when you look at weightage, you have a significant number of questions appearing from your data interpretation. So it is always recommended that you practice enough DI. That is very, very important. So what are the basic prerequisites required for data interpretation? That is one thing which is very important. The second thing is like point is like you have to look at DI sets. When I'm talking about prelim level sets, they're actually not difficult. They are actually easy sets, prelim level sets. They don't need much of your time. Only practice is the key in your preliminary examination. So let's start now. Let's start. 1 second. So the first set is RRB Clerk Prelim 2023. Last year appeared in your RRB Clerk Prelim exam. Okay. So directions are refer to the table given below and answer the questions that follow the table. So this is the table, students. But before that, let me give you the breakup. We'll look at this table. Let me give you certain basic information about your data interpretation. Now, when you look at your data interpretation particularly, I will generalize and tell you, if you look at PO exam, prelim, PO prelim, you may expect 10 to 15 questions. PO mains, you can expect some 15 to 20 questions. If you look at your clerk exams, when I say PO, IBPSPO, SBIPO, RRBPO, more or less the same breakup. When you look at a clerk exam, prelim, you'll get 5 to 10 questions, and clerk main, you'll get somewhere around 10 to 15 questions. 10 to 15 questions. This is weightage of your data interpretation. In general, you take any PO prelim or PO main, clerk prelim or clerk main. This is the weightage of your data interpretation. Now, students, let me very quickly look at the prerequisites, the things which you should be ready with. What is important, particularly when your prelim exam, is your speed and accuracy. So I will list down a few prerequisites. These are essential. These are essential if you want to improve your speed in particularly quant, in DA, in quadratic comparison, in your quant questions, in data interpretation. The first one is multiplication tables. When I say multiplication tables, it is up to 20 tables, preferably 20 multiples, 20 into 20. Up to 20 tables, preferably 20 multiples. Now, how you should read this is particularly if I ask you a question, sum of two numbers 25, if I multiply, the product has to be 144. Sum of two numbers 25, product 144. Right? So what's the answer? Anybody? What could be the two numbers? What could be the two numbers? Anybody, please? Yes, ma'am. You can type it in chat box also. It is 16 and 9. Now see, this is how I want you to learn. I will not ask you tell me 12 table, 13 table, 12 ones are 12 teacher, 12 twos are 24. No. Right, Pradeep? Correct answer. Now sum 25. If I say product 136. Sum 25, product 136. Good evening. Very 13 and 12. Bharadwaj, 13 and 12, sum is 25, but the product is not 136, right? Product will be 156. So someone has answered the question. Yes, Manoseti, I know you. So let's continue. So this is 18, 17 and 8. 17 plus 8, 25, 17 into 8 is 136, right? I'll ask you one more question. See, observe here, I'm not changing my sum. My sum remains constant. Sum 25, product 126. That is why I'm telling you, multiplication tables are very, very important, students, right? Anybody? Product 126, sum 25. Quick. Someone has answered. Let me check. Very good, Pradeep. 18 and 7. 18 and 7. So if I list down the prerequisites, one is multiplication tables. Very good one. Multiplication tables. So I was discussing that. So if I ask you one more question, sum 25, product 156. So someone has answered this question 12 and 13. Right? So this is how I want you to learn your multiplication tables. Now going forward, I'll take a small case of your time and distance. Let us say I'll take a boards and streams question. Whenever it's a boards and stream question, all of you know it is upstream and downstream, right? Always we arrive at an equation. 135 by 12 minus C by 135 by 12 plus C is equal to 24. Now, my dear students, can you guess C value? I'm not saying that find C value. If I'm asking you to solve, everybody here should be able to do that, right? So I'm not asking you to solve, I'm asking you to guess C value. By looking at these numbers, can you just guess my C value? Now, if I simplify this, take 135 common, 12 minus C, 12 plus C, LCM. 12 minus C into 12 plus C is 144 minus C square. C square means it is obviously a quadratic equation. Finding the roots is okay. Narsimha, correct answer, but it has to be plus 3, Narsimha, because it is boards and streams, so value will be positive. Or if you see here, generally what we do is when we look at these numbers, 135, if I add these two, I should get 24. Which multiplication table we come across? 135. Last digit 5 means obviously it can be 5 or 15. Now, if I look at 15th table, we learn tables. 15 into 9 is 135. 15 plus 9 is 24. So obviously one should be 15, other should be 9. My C value has to be 3. 135 by 12 minus 3, 9. 135 by 9 is 15. 135 by 15 is 9. 15 plus 9 is 24. This is how you have to learn your tables. Learn your tables means this is how you should learn. I will not ask you to by heart and tell me 12 tables, 13 table. No, that is of no use. This is how you should learn. Whenever you come across a quadratic comparison question, whenever you come across a data interpretation question, whenever you come across a calculation, immediately those factors should strike. So multiplication tables up to 20, preferably 20 into 20 tables. Then squares of first 25 natural numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on, 25 square. Then cubes of first 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, so on, 15 cube. Cubes of first 15 natural numbers. Then you have to by heart powers of 2, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube up to 2 power 12. You have to by heart powers of 3, 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube up to 3 power 8. Then you should be good at your reciprocal values. Most of you are ready with this. Reciprocal values will make your calculations easy. We call them as fraction values. I'm not going to discuss them, but you should be able to tell or by heart reciprocal values up to 12. Here again, simply by hearting will not help. For example, if I ask you between 40% and 50%, what are all the standard reciprocals you know? After you learn, first thing is you have to learn 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so on, 1 by 12. Then you have to by heart their multiples up to 12. So 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, up to 11 by 12, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 1 less than denominator, basically 6 by 7. Once you learn those, then you have to divide them into percentages. Between 10 and 20, what are my standard reciprocals? Between 20 and 30, 30 and 40, 40 and 50. You should remember them. Those values should be in handy. Then your calculations will become, your speed in calculating the values will become, you can save some time in the examination, right? You will become fast. Between 40 and 50, anybody would like to answer? What are the standard reciprocals you know? One is 3 by 7. This is how I want you to learn, 42.85%. Then you have 4 by 9, 44.44%. Then you have 5 by 11, 45.45%. One more is there. Can anybody? 5 by 12, 41.66%. All these values you should learn. Then only your speed will improve. Then only you could save some time in the calculation part in the examination. So reciprocal values, after you learn, divide them into ranges of 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and you have to see and you have to learn, you have to by heart what are all the standard reciprocals within that range. Then you should be good at your complements of 100, and the final, you should be good at your basic percentage concepts. Percentage increase, percentage decrease, percentage less, percentage more. You should know bare minimum these things to answer your data interpretation question. So I'm not going to discuss this. Already you should know this. Then basically your percentage concepts questions will revolve around your ratio concepts and average concepts. Your data interpretation will have questions only from this. Then second important point is, if you look at your models, you have tables, questions based on tabular data. Then we have bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, caselets, caselet is some raw verbal data given in paragraph form. You have to capture this data. This is unstructured, unformatted data. You have to put this data either in the form of table or in the form of Venn diagram. Then you need to answer the questions. So here data is readily available. Just read the data, analyze the data, start answering the question. But here caselets, you need to put the data in the form of a table or Venn diagram depending on variable. Then you have to solve. You will get only single sets in your prelim exam. You take IBPSPO also or SBAPO, single set. You will not get any combinations. Combination by meaning, I'm saying there's a sixth model called combination. Combination is like two tables or bar plus table, line plus table. Generally combination, two pie charts will be asked in your main exam. Prelim exam, you will have only single sets. That's the biggest advantage in prelim exam. Then caselets should be attempted at the last. Our suggestion, leave caselet in the exam. If time permits, we will definitely try. If time does not permit, we will not touch that. Prelim level caselet to some extent are easy. You can actually, we have a caselet in today's session also, we will see. Once you write down the data in a structured format, all the questions can be solved just like that in 30 seconds. Questions won't demand much time. Most of your time you spend on analyzing the data, structuring the data. That is important. That is why once you complete all other areas, maybe simplification, approximation, your DI, then once you come back, time is left over, then you can try your caselet, friends, right? So with this background, let us very quickly start solving the DI sets. As I told you, those who joined little late, just here, this is our first set we are going to discuss, RRB Clerk Prelim 2023. This is last year set. So it is based on tabular data. So first look at the data, students. Look at the data. Mauli Priya, Caselets is like you have some verbal data will be given. You have to structure that data. You have to put that data in the form of a table or Venn diagram before you proceed solving the questions, right? So generally caselet to be avoided in the examination. We'll look at this little later when we discuss that caselets, how to structure the data, how to put it in a structured format. We will discuss when we go to that particular set. Clear, Molly Priya? Any other questions? Okay, just analyze the data. Just look at the data, then we'll start discussing. Following table shows number of students from four different schools playing different sports. So there are 4 different schools. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll just change my pen color. So it's a dark PPT. Let me take a look. Okay. Fine. So you can see here, we have 4 different schools, A, B, C, D. We have number of students who are playing football. We have number of students playing cricket, number of students playing chess. My last column represents number of students playing badminton. Now, if I want to find out total number of students in school A, how do we get total number of students in school A? We need to add a row. 65 plus 80, 145 plus 60, 205 plus 55. So it has to be 260. Very good, Palak. Just I'm giving an example. Very good, Palak. Very good. Fantastic. All right. If I want total number of students school-wise, that means you have to do your row-wise addition. If I want to find out total number of students sport-wise, let us say how many are playing football, then I have to add column-wise. Right, students? 65, this is 160. If I look at football, 235, 240, it is 290. Good, Palak, 290. Very good. Very good, Sneha. Very good. Right, so if you want sport-wise, that is game-wise total, how many students playing cricket, how many playing chess, how many playing badminton, you have to add column-wise. So then there's no name displaying, it is a mobile number, Xiaomi displaying, okay. Then school name, A plus B plus C plus D. If I want total number of students in each school, then you have to add row-wise. So with this understanding, let us start solving our next set. First question. Now all of you on the screen, I'll start my timer. I'll give you 45 seconds. Hope all of you can see the timer there. Timer's ticking on. So all of you look at the question and tell me the answer. Thirty seconds up. 35 seconds. Okay, those who got the answer, please answer. 40 seconds. Yes, I got the answer at 41 seconds. Palak, 100%. I think no. Check your answer. Check your answer, Palak. छोटा सा मिस्टेक हो गया. चेक करो एक बार फिर से दोबारा चेक करो. Bharadwaj, check your answer once. Are you missed out? No, it's not 50, Bharat. Bharadwaj, please check. 1 minute up. No, Vishnu Priya. So, acha. Sorry, Bharadwaj, correct answer. You said 50. Vishnu Priya, correct answer. Vivo, I don't know the name. Xiaomi, not 56. It is 50%. I think it is typing error. So, I'm resetting my clock here now. Palak, correct answer. Right. Total number of students of school B, let us solve this. Total number of students of school B playing cricket and chess. School B playing cricket and chess. These two together. 85 plus 65. So it is how much? 150. This is what percentage more or less than total number of students playing cricket from all the schools. Cricket from all the schools, cricket total, you need to add this column. So you can see here, 85 plus 75, 160, 220, 300. Right? So it is 300. Now it is how much percentage? Less, right? Now, total number of students in B playing chess and cricket together, what percentage? More or less. Clearly, this is less, so percentage less. Difference 150. Opposite of less, larger value 300. Anchal correct. Shravani correct. Into 100. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is 50%. It is less. 50% less is your option 3. 50% less is option 3. Good. Now, all of you be ready. Next question. Next question. Question number 2 on your screen. I'm starting the timer now. Forty seconds up. $50 seconds up. One minute up. Okay. Someone gave me the answer. First option. Abhaya Dev. Correct. Correct answer, Abhay. Rahul Reddy. Correct answer. Jasleen. Correct answer. Xiaomi. Correct answer. Chandni. Correct answer. Suhana. Correct answer. So I will reset this now. Yadu. Correct answer. Palak. Correct answer. Galaxy. Correct answer. Very good. All right. We'll discuss now. So ratio of total number of students playing chess to the total number of students playing sports in these 4 schools. Okay. Playing chess means I have to add this column 65, 45, 110, 180, 240. Those who are playing chess. Is to total number of students in these 4 schools. What is total of A? 55, 65. 120, 260 is A total. B total 180, 100, 280. You can't do that actually. If the second one is also even, you may get a different answer. If it's 2 is a common factor away, so it can be some other number also. If it is 340, let us say, it goes 17 times. No? Let's see. 245. Correct. I'm saying you answered 240. That you can do, right? So 80, how much is this? 100, 175, 235. If I add this, it should be 1020. Right? 6 fours, then 617. So 4:17. Right, let's move to the next question. Try this one. Your timer starts now. Oh, sorry. Okay. Correct answer, Jasleen. 18 seconds, you got the answer. Very good. Krishna, correct answer. Aru, correct answer. Vishnupriya, Palak, correct answer. Yadu, correct answer. Xiaomi, correct answer. Right. So Sneha, correct answer. Sai Durga, Vinay Krishna, Suhana, Pujita, Chandni. Maybe I have missed 1 or 2 persons there. Good one. Abhay, correct answer. Sachin, correct answer. So most of you got within 45 seconds. Very good. Average number of students playing sports in school B. So what is total of school B? We have already calculated. Don't calculate it again. 280. We have done in the previous question. So 280 divided by 4. It has to be 70. Option 4. Option 4. Right? Let's move to the next question. Try this. I'm starting the timer now. Lenovo, what screen is not visible? Okay, Yadu, correct answer. Justin, correct answer. Is there any problem in screen, ma? Chess and badminton, are you not able to see? Sachin, correct answer. Okay, so Shima, okay, correct answer. Okay, Sneha, correct answer. Vishnupriya, I have to check your answer. Right, so it's almost 1 minute 10 seconds. So we'll reset the watch. Suhana, correct answer. Sai Durga, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Those who said you can't see the screen, just check your settings. Screen is visible. So this data, again, don't take this data from Pala, correct answer. Pujita also correct answer. We have already done now. Total number of students playing from school A. School A, when we added this, how much we got? We have done it in the previous question. School A is 260. You have to remember, chess we have added somewhere, right? Earlier we have added, or somewhere we have added chess also. How much we got total in chess? So total in chess is also, you can add this. Here we have added 240. So clearly use the data from the previous questions, right? So total of A is 260 and total of chess is 240. I can ignore this 0. Again, common factor is, you can remove 2 13s, 2 12s. So clearly this is more, 13 and 12. How much percentage more? Difference by lesser value, 1 by 12 into 100. It is a standard reciprocal. I can say 1 by 3% more. You understood this one? 260, 240. I'm again not calculating. I'm using the data from the previous question. So from the previous questions, I have collected my data. 260, 240. Anyway, 0 is common. It will get cancelled, nullified. So I'm ignoring that. Again, common factor will get nullified. So I'm removing that common factor. So 13 and 12. 13 and 12, I can find out percentage more. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Time starts now. Vinay Krishna, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. Bharadwaj, check the answer. Adu, correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Aru, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Lenovo, correct answer. Okay, keep answering, keep answering, keep answering. Time up. 45 seconds. Correct answer, Sachin. Exactly on time, dot time. Naveen also correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Chandni, correct answer. Correct answer, Chandni. Right? So this is a simple question. You have to tell me your name. You have to change your name while joining. Oppo, 40. Correct answer. Sai Durga also correct answer. Difference between total number of students playing cricket, chess, badminton from school C. Cricket, chess, badminton. These three values. 60, 70, 40. And total number of students playing football and cricket from school D. Football and cricket from school D. Now, see, don't add. You might have added. Those who are adding this team up, don't add. Don't add 55 plus 75, 60 plus 7. Numbers are easy. You can do that. 130 plus 40, 170. Shravani, correct answer. 170 minus 130. 170 minus 130 is 40. Correct answer. Instead of doing this, see, what I do is I want difference between these two. I have 3 numbers here. I have 2 numbers here, right? So, Vivo, correct answer. So, what's the difference, ma? It is 5 more. When I compare 70, 75, this is 5 more. So, here 5 more. Here 5 more. This is balance. Net balance is 0. They got nullified. Deciding factor, this one. How much more, ma? 40 more. I can say option 2. No need to add, my dear friends. That is 60. This is 55. I need to compare those 3 values with these 2 values. So, that is 5 more. 70, 75. This is 5 more. They got nullified. So, the leftover should be answer. So, it is 40 more. All right. So, let's move on to the next set. Question number 6 to 11. Question number 6 to 11. Study the following table. And most importantly, one more point. Most of the times you are getting more number of questions or sets on your tables, followed by bar graph and line graph. Pie chart, last 2-3 years is you are getting it, but not that frequent, right? Most of the questions, particularly prelim exams, are based on your tabular data. So this is also table for you. This is your IBPS. One second. Clerk 2023. Last year, IBPS Clerk model. IBPS Clerk 2023 model. IBPS Clerk 2023 model. All of you analyze the data first. Just go through the data. Right, table shows total number of students, boys and girls, and number of girls in the intermediate first year and that in second year of the total students in 3 colleges. You can see 3 colleges here, college A, college B, and college C. So we have first year total number of students. Out of this, how many are girls? A total number of students, and out of this, how many are girls? This information is given here. Total number of students in a college is given by number of boys and number of girls together. All right, students, very quickly, let us start solving the questions. First question on your screen, your timer starts now. Your timer starts now. One second, I got the answer. 2 people have answered. Let me check. Time up. Lenovo, no. Yadu, correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Very good. Palak and Yadu, both of you correct answer. Bharadwaj, correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Right. Suhana, correct answer. Chandri, correct answer. Sai Durga, correct answer. Jasleen, correct answer. Right. I'm stopping the timer now. So let's look at the question. Total number of boys in college D. Is college D given here? No. We don't have information about college D here. So total number of boys, Oppo, correct answer. One. Total number of boys in college D. If the average number of boys in A, B, C, D in the second year is 900. He's talking about second year. So I'll write boys here. How will we get boys? Total minus girls should be boys. 800 minus 400, 400. 1000 minus 720, 280. 1300 minus 960. So it is 340. Now friends, average number of students is 900. Instead of calculating, generally how do we do? We have 400 plus 280 plus 340, D I don't know, plus X divided by 4 schools. This you can always do. It's always there, 900. Subtract that, you'll get the answer. I'm not against this. You can do that. You can do that. There's no problem in that. You can do that. Obviously, you can do this. But instead of this, just here, average is 900, right? Average is 900. So, school A, it is 400 boys. School B, 280. School C, 340. My average 900 means everybody should be 900. This is how much less than 900? 500. This is how much less than 900? 620. This is how much less than 900? 560. That means all these three are deficient. That means my D should be at least 900 definitely, plus it should cover this deficiency, right? So 1016, 1680. So it is, they are falling short. It should cover that 1680. So it has to be 2580. 2580 is present in answer choice 1. 2580 is present in answer choice 1. Is this okay with everyone? See, you might have done that adding all those divided by 4, then subtracting from 900 into 4, 3600. It's okay. I'm not saying it is not correct. It is correct. It is correct. Thank you, Abhaya. Abhaya, correct. Thank you. Palak, very good. Fantastic, Palak. If you did by this method, it's very good. Right. So it is falling short now. 500 short. This is 620 short. This is 560 short. So all put together 1680 short. It should be covered by school D. So to 900 plus 1680, it has to be, thank you, Shima. It has to be 2580. Right. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Your timer starts now. Sorry. 1 second. 7th question. Very good. One person answered. Jasleen, 60%. Correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Abhaya, correct answer. Yadu, correct answer. Aru, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Shreya, correct answer. Chandani, correct answer. Very good. We will reset this. Rahul Reddy, correct answer. Very good. Pujita, correct answer. Vignesh, correct answer. Sai Durga, correct answer. Anchal, correct answer. Fantastic. Doing a good job. This is the level of difficulty. Sanjana, correct answer. This is the level of difficulty you come across in your prelim level exams. Right. So this question, very quickly we will solve now. In the first year, total number of girls in B and C, what percentage less than total number of students in A and C? So first year, number of girls in B and C. If I look at number of girls in B and C, 260 plus 380. So this is 640 if I add these two. Right? This is what percentage less than total number of students in A and C. A and C total number of students will be 980 plus 620, 1600. Right. Now this one also, as I discussed earlier, 0 will get cancelled. What's the common factor? 16, 16, 1, 16, 4. Now what is the question? Total number of girls in B and C is what percentage less than? So it is how much? Sorry, 1600. 1 second. 1 second. It is 640. 980 plus 620 is 1600. So 640 less than 1600. So 0 nullified. 16, 32 5s. 32 is a common factor. Number 32 2s, 32 5s. So obviously it is less. How much percent less? Difference 3. By opposite of less is larger value. 5 into 100. We know 3 by 5. Instead of calculating on such big numbers, you get in others. Common factor gets nullified. I can say it has to be 60%. Someone has answered a few questions. Let me see. Fourth option, Anjana, Sneha, Suresh. Correct? Correct, Abhaya. Fine. Is this clear? I'm just nullifying the common factors on zeros. I'm calculating on the remaining values so that it will become easy. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8 on your screen. Time starts now. Simple calculation question only. Palak, correct answer. Aru, correct answer. Very good. 20 seconds, you got less than 20 seconds. Very good. Vinay, correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Sachin, check your answer. Vignesh, correct answer. Yadu, correct answer. Neha, correct answer. Anika, correct answer. Jaslin, correct answer. Sneha, correct answer. Chandni, correct answer. Krishna, correct answer. Manichandana, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Sanjana, correct answer. Anchal, correct answer. So, many people answered. Bharadwaj, correct answer. Vishnu Priya, correct answer. Naveen, correct answer. Very good. Sai Durga, very good. Correct answer. Abhaya, correct answer. Fine. Considering both the years, total number of boys. Das, correct answer. Find the total number of boys in 3 colleges. It is simple number. So number of boys is, if you subtract it is 480 here. I'll write here 480 in first year. 500 minus 260 is 240. 620 minus 380, 240. 480 is 960. Clearly, na 240, 240, 480, 480, 960. We already done this. 800 minus 400, it is 400. 1000 minus 720, 280. 1300 minus 960, 340. So 120, 1020. Right? So total number of boys in these 3 colleges. 1980 if I add these two. 1980 is present in option 3. I have one more answer. Shravani, correct answer. 1020, correct answer. Second year, Palak, correct. So let's move on to the next question now. Question number 9 on your screen. Your time starts now. Right, I got the answer. Palak, correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. Sachin, correct answer. Josna, correct answer. Jaslin, correct answer. Satyaki Das, correct answer. Chandni, correct answer. Rahul Reddy, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Right. I'm resetting the Sneha, correct answer. Total number of girls in A and B in the second year. Girls in A and B in second year, 400, 720, 1120. This is what percentage of average number of students in the first year. First year, what are total number of students? 1600, 2100. So how will you get average mark? 3 schools na? By 3, 700. It's a simple calculation. Na? 7 16ths is 112. So 160% should be your answer. Right? Next question. Question number 10. Time starts now. Correct answer, Palak. Bharadwaj, correct answer. Jaslin, Vishnu Priya, Adu, Shima, Vinay Krishna, Aru, Naveen, Rahul Reddy, Abhayadev, Sai Durga, correct answers. Suhana, Josna, Anika, correct answers. Anchal Dev, correct answer. Anchal, you forgot colon. Pujita, correct answer. Right. Ratio of number of boys in the first year to second year in school B. School B number of boys 500 minus 260 is 240. 1000 minus 720 is 280. So clearly ratio 0 will get cancelled. 24 is to 28. So 4, 6, 4, 7. So 6 is to 7. Option 2. Right. So let's move on to the next question. And the last question in the set. Time starts now. Palak, correct. Vinay Krishna, correct. Shima, correct. Very good. Aru, correct. Das, correct. Anchal, correct. Vishnu, correct. Vishnupriya, correct. Bharadwaj, correct. Jaslin, correct. Sai Durga, correct. Anika, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Josna, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Sneha Suresh, correct answer. Naveen, correct answer. Right. So reset the clock now. Considering all the colleges, total number of students in second year is how much more or less than first year? We know this is 3,100. First year we have already done this one. While we calculate that average value, if you remember 2,100. So this is clearly 1,000 more. 1,000 more is present in option 5. 1,000 more is present in option 5. Manichandana, correct answer. All right. Let's move to the next set. Question number 12 to 16. Study the following table carefully. Again, this is also your question based on table. This is RRB PO Prelim. First, we have discussed RRB Clerk 2023 model. Then we have discussed IBPS Clerk 2023. You see, slight variation in the difficulty level. More or less, the difficulty level is almost same. But there is slightly, IBPS Clerk is slightly difficult or little calculations compared to your RRB Clerk. Now look at RRB PO Prelim 2023. This is the table, friends. I'll give you time to analyze. Look at the data. Spend some time on the data. Students, did you observe the difference? When it comes to PO, your data has the content, the size of the data has increased. See, this is IBPS Clerk. This is RRB. It is very simple table. Slightly more number of calculations because girls given and is asking you more number of questions on boys here. This is IBPS Clerk. When it comes to RRBPO, then IBPSPO will be one more step. And you try and understand the difference between the see questions. Ultimately, the level of difficulty I can say it as easy according to exam level. But you look at the difference. RRB Clerk exam difference, IBPS Clerk exam, IBPS Clerk to RRBPO. You can clearly see the differentiation. Clearly see the level of difficulty, the kind of data that is asked, the kind of data that is given to you to analyze is slightly different, right? So otherwise, more or less question types will remain same. So table shows number of students who appeared in 5 exams PQRST in 2022. In these kind of sets, my suggestion would be definitely there will be questions on how many pass, there will be question on number of boys and girls. So we will write down quickly now how many boys, how many girls, how many boys, how many girls. It is simple. We'll take total parts, 15 parts, 300. Each part will be 300 by 15. I can do like this. Total parts 15, total value 300. So 300 by 15, each part 20. 8 into 20, 160. 7 into 20, 140. 5 parts 400, each part 80. So 80 into 3, 240. 80 into 2, 160. These values I will be writing on my, very good Palak, you have given all the values, very good. Then 1:1 equal nama, 180, 180. 2:3, 5 parts 200, 200 by 5 means each part 4 ma. 200 by 5 means each part 40 ma. 40 into 2, 80, 40 into 3, 120. 25 parts, each part 10 mark, 160 and 90. Percentage of students failed. So how many failed? I'll write how many passed. 1/4 failed, 75. So 30% failed, 120. 15% failed, 10%, 36. 5%, 18, 54. 24% failed, 24 by 100, zeros will get cancelled, 48. 20% failed, 50. So 300 minus 75, how many passed? 225. 400 minus 120, 280 passed. 360 minus 54, 306 passed. 200 minus 48, 152 passed. 250 minus 50, 200 passed. By looking at this data, 75, 120, Shima, correct, ma? Right. So I have already put down this past data also. This data, if I can write down on my rough sheet, I need not even look at my table now, because by looking at this table, definitely there will be questions on boys, girls, failed, passed. Once I write this, my table will look like this here. So number of boys, number of girls, failed, passed. I got the entire data on your rough sheet. Your time starts now for question number 12. Now once you get this, it is very easy to answer the questions.
Sir, last column screen cannot be seen, sir.
Who is this talking?
Suyog.
Is it the case with everyone, ma? Is it the case with everyone?
No, sir, we can zoom it and zoom in.
They can see. All of them can
Yes,
see.
sir, we can see the last column.
We just need to zoom in or zoom out if you can't able to see.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Otherwise, I'll read out the last column. You can write down 225, 280, 306, 152, 200. 225, 280, 306, 225, 280. I'm writing here 306, 152, 200. Oh, a lot of people have answered the question. Sorry. Stopping to. Okay, 1 second. Let me go up and check. 1 second. Second. Neha, correct answer. Jasleen, Aru, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Molly Priya, I'll come back to you. Shima, correct answer. Anika, correct answer. Sai Durga, Vishnu Priya, Sneha, perfectly visible. Okay. Bharadwaj 2. Anchal, correct answer. AS, correct answer. Sravani, Satyaki Das, correct answer. Okay. The point is, I'll reset my watch. Molly Priya, what's the doubt, ma? She want to explain table once again. I'll go back here. See, what I'm trying to tell you is, first of all, whenever you have this ratio, you try and find out the number of boys, number of girls, and percentage of students failed in the exam, right? Acha, 225, how you got? You want me to explain that part? Okay. See, so Mauli Priya, how many failed, ma? This is failed. Out of total, 25% failed. 25% failed means obviously 1/4 failed. 75 failed. How do you get passed, ma? Passed students is nothing but total students minus failed students. 300 minus 75, my passed should be 225. 30%, 120 failed. 400 minus 120, 280. 280 passed. 15%, 36 plus 18, 54 failed. Pass means 360 minus 54, it is 306. 24% means 48 failed. 200 minus 48 is 152 passed. 20% means 50 failed. 250 minus 50, 200 passed. Hope I have cleared your query, Mauli Priya. Yes, ma. Say yes, no. Is this your question? Priya, can you hear me? Is this clear? To find out failed, total minus failed will be your past. Clear, ma? Yes. Okay, fine. Fine. So first question, you already answered my question number 12. Ratio of number of students who passed in P and Q. 225 plus 280. So it is how much? 400, 505 is to total number of students failed in the same exams, 195. So it is 5 101s, 5 3 is 15, 5 9s, 101 is to 39, second option. Anjana, correct answer. So Palak, Sai bola aapne, correct hai. This is only to distract you. That 505, the moment you look at 505, if you mark that, then you are finished. The slight difference, 195, 196, right? So you have to be a little careful in the exam. Very good observation, Palak. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 13 on your screen. Time starts now.
$164, sir.
Very good, fantastic. 23 seconds, you got the answer. Shima, very good, ma'am. 164 is the correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Bharadwaj, correct answer. Sneha, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. Chandni, correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Sai Durga, correct answer. Naveen, correct answer. Time up. 45 seconds I have given you. Yes, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Giving you 15 seconds grace. Sri Lakshmi, correct answer. Right. Anchal, correct answer. Very good. Average number of boys who appeared in all the 5 exams together. So obviously you add this total one, you'll get total number of boys here. 160 plus 80, 240, 240. Otherwise 240 plus 160 is how much? 400. 400, 240, 640, then 80, 720, 100, 820. 820 by 5. Because there are 5 schools, 5 exams. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 25 fours. So it is 164. 164. Right? Now, if I want to do by observation, you can do like this. See, this is correct one. But I'll tell you one more point. Here, it is 160. Right? I'll take this also 160. So it is how much extra? 80 extra. Right? This also I'll take it as 160. 180, not 20 extra. This is 80. So this 80, if I add here, this will also become 160. And this is also 160. So all of our 160, 160, 160, 160, 160, my average should be 160. But when I put there all the values, I'm having 20 extra. This 20, you have to divide among 5 exams. 20 by 5 means each exam will get 4 extra. Each one increasing by 4, average will increase by 4. I can say 164. You can do like this also. This 160 ma. 240 is 160, 80 extra. 180, if I put 160, 20 extra. Because all options are around 160 here. 80, so you add this 80 here, this will become 160. This is 160. So all of them are clear because I can see 2 numbers 160 here. This is close to 160. So I'm taking all of them 160. I'm having 20 extra. Divide among these 5 groups, 5 exams. Each one will get 4. Correct, Palak. Assume mean method. But here I can clearly see it is 160. All options are around 160, close to 160. So I can take 2 160s are there. I can see how much more, how much less. I can do that way also. I'm averaging it out, Satya. That's correct. One way it is correct. I'm averaging it out. Right, next question. Time starts now. Let me move to the question number 14 now. Time starts now. You have all the values, only calculations you have to do. I got the answer. 125 seconds. I got the answer. Shima, correct answer. Fifth option. Krishna, correct answer. Anchal, correct answer. Jaslin, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. Others, keep trying, keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. Clock is ticking. 45 seconds. Right, Sri Lakshmi, correct answer. Mani Chandana, correct answer. Vivo, correct answer. Chandani, Sanjana, Anika, correct answers. Oh, sorry, I did not see Palak. I might have missed out. Sorry, Palak. Correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. I might have missed out.
70%, sir.
Correct answer. Right, I'm resetting my clock. So, number of girls who appeared for S and T, number of girls who appeared for S and T is 210. Right? Is what percentage of total number of girls who appeared for P and Q? P and Q is 300 into 100. 37 times. So 70%. Option 5. One more answer. Oppo, correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 15 on your screen. Time starts now. $45 seconds up. I'm waiting, ma. One minute up. I'm still waiting. Are we corrected? Are you taking so much of time? 1 minute, 10 seconds. You have to keep looking at that timer in the exam also, ma. Otherwise, unnecessarily time will overshoot. DA, there's a major issue. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Easy question. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Are we corrected? Yes. I got my first answer. Palak is saying, is it fourth option? No. Asking. Bharadwaj, fifth option? No. It's not difficult. Very good, Pujita. Third option is the correct answer. 1 minute, 38 seconds. Aru, correct answer. Palak, right. Correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Almost 1 minute, 45 seconds. Why, ma? What is difficulty? Trinath, correct answer. What is difficulty here, ma? I did not understand. What's the difficulty here? Anchal, correct answer. Neha, correct answer. Anjana, correct answer.
Sir, like in the previous question, we had to directly calculate the values. But for this question, we had been given a condition. So we have to think about it, and then we have to look into the table and find the answer from there.
Okay, I'll show you how to do that then. Naveen, correct answer. A is correct answer. Let me see. You might have a problem here. How much is 11.1/9%? Can anybody tell me how much is this?
11.11%.
So that's nothing but 1/9.
It's 1/9, sir.
Very good. I need 1/9. Correct answer. AS and those who answered correct answer. Bharadwaj, correct answer. Only 11.11. 11.11 is nothing but it is 1/9. So this is 1/9 clearly. 1 second. 1/9% is 1/9. 1/9 of number of girls who appeared for R have failed. How many appeared for R? Girls 180. 1/9 of 180. How many failed? 20. 20 girls failed. How many boys failed? Total failed, I know, 54. Out of these 54, 20 are girls. So 34 boys failed. What's the question? How many boys passed? How many boys appeared? 180 nama. 34 failed. So it has to be 146. Correct, Shima. Correct, yes. Palak, correct. You got my point? So it is 1 by 9 of the girls appeared for R failed. 180 appeared, 1 by 9 is 20 failed. Total failed 54. 54 minus 20, 34 boys failed. 180 appeared, 34 failed. It has to be 146. Straightforward question. Maybe calculation is there. It should not take 1 minute 40 seconds now. At least 1 minute you should be able to answer these kind of questions, right? So you need to see, you need to improve your speed. You need to work on your speed on your calculation part. Let us move to the next question. Question number 16. Time starts now. I got the answer. 1 second. Neha, 3. No, Neha, check. Correct answer. AS correct answer. Bharadwaj correct answer. Satyaki Das correct answer. Shima correct answer. Anika correct answer. Anchal correct answer. Vishnupriya correct answer. Krishna correct answer. Palak correct answer. Sai Durga correct answer. Trinath correct answer. Aru correct answer. Oppo correct answer. Pujita correct answer. Suhana correct answer. Manichandana correct answer. Sravani correct answer. Priyanka correct answer. Sneha Suresh correct answer. 1 minute up. Sneha Suresh, Sanjana, Josna, Naveen correct answers. Difference between number of students passed in Q and S. How many passed in Q and S? 280. S is how much? 152. And number of students who passed in R and T. R is 306. T is how much? 200. This is 506. This is 432. So difference if you take, you'll get 74. 74 is option 1. Anjana correct answer. Sri Lakshmi, Lenovo correct answers. Right. This is about your PO level set. You see slight difference is there. You're taking little more time when it is a PO set. Right. So 17 to 21. Study the following graph carefully to answer the questions that follow. Bar graph. IBPS Clerk Prelim Exam 2022. IBPS Clerk Prelim 2022 set. Right. Just look at the data, then we'll discuss. Little fast one. Bar graph given below shows total number of vehicles, autos plus cabs, a number of cabs in 5 locations. So obviously the first bar represents the total of auto plus cab. The second one represents cabs. So how to get auto value? 1350 is my total auto and cab. Cab is 600. If I subtract 750 is my cab. Is my auto. Like that, if you subtract, you'll get autos. Let's start one. Question number 17. Time starts now. Somebody has answered the question. Okay, I got the answer from someone. Trinath Shima, 1 second. AS has answered 750. Correct answer. Shreya, correct answer. Let me see this. Shima, correct answer. Trinath, correct answer. Chandni, correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Sanjana, correct answer. Sneha, correct answer. Suhana, Naveen, Anika, Pujita. I missed few names. Ma. Oppo, Lenovo. Right, correct answer. I'm resetting my watch. So how do you get this? Ma? Sai Durga, correct answer. Considering all the location, difference between number of autos and number of cabs. So how do you get difference between number of autos and cabs? I can directly put it like this. There are two ways I can do. So 1350, 600 cabs. So obviously 750 autos. 1250, 550, 550 cabs. If I remove 550, it is 700. This is 675, 500. 425 cab. So 975 minus 425, 550. Then 375. This is 625. Right? Sorry, how much? 375 means 525. I want difference between autos and cabs. 150. This is also 150. This is how much? 175. This is how much? 125. This is how much? 150. These two put together 300. Then this is 150, 150, 150, 450. 450, 300, 750 is the correct answer. I got all my auto values, all my cab values. Otherwise, you can also do like this. Add all the total values. Then add all cab values. Subtract, you will get auto. Then again, you have to subtract. Instead of that, we can put it like this. You know all cab values, put down the remaining auto values. You can take the difference. Right. So next question. Question number 18. Time starts now. I got the answer. Someone. Neha, no. Das, correct answer. AS, correct answer. Aru, correct answer. Palak, you answer the question. Anchal, correct answer. Vishnupriya, Trinath, correct answer. Lenovo, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. हाँ आगे आप ही थे correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Shima, Bharadwaj, Pujita, Sanjana, correct answers. I'm resetting my watch now. Krishna, correct answer. Priyanka, Sri Lakshmi, correct answer. Soumya, correct answer. Oppo, correct answer. Sneha Suresh, correct answer. Number of autos in B. Number of autos in B. What percentage of total number of vehicles in the same location? Autos in B is 1250 minus 550, 700 in B. Otherwise, you can use the data from the previous question. What percentage of total vehicles? 1250 into 100. 25 fives, 25 fours. 5 goes 14 times. 14 into 4, 56%. Someone else has answered. No, 1 second. Let me check. Sai Durga, correct. Naveen and Anjana, correct answers. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Question number 19 on your screen. Time starts now. I want caps, these two autos ratio. Time up, ma. Time up, ma. Right, Priyanka, correct answer. Shima, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Sai Durga, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Trinath, correct answer. Das, correct answer. AS, correct answer. Sanjana, correct answer. Sneha, correct answer. Anika, what's your answer? Aru, correct answer. Uppo, correct answer. Naveen, correct answer. Anika, correct answer. Okay. Simple question now. Not that time consuming. Ratio of number of caps in B. See, you already have the data. This will be there on your rough sheet now. Caps in B and D to autos in A and C. B and D caps, autos in A and C. You can take it from here from the first question, or you can again, if you want, you can add now. B and D 550, 425, 975 is to A and C auto. Auto is I have to subtract now. This is how much? 1350 minus 750. C 11. This is 675. So 1300, 1425. Right. So I can have to simplify this number. If you simplify this, you'll get option 2. 13 is to 19.
Sir, we can take 75 as the common factor over here.
You can take 75, or you can, if you're feeling 75 is difficult, to take 25. Now 25, 3, 75, 120, 12 remaining, 125, 25, 5s. Then 25, 5 times 125, 175, 25, 7s. Then this is 25, 3, 75. Sorry, 225, 25 9s. No, sorry, I am sorry. 25 9s, 225 now. So again, 3 13s, 3 19s. You can take 75, very good, ma. Otherwise, you can see that you can take 75 and 25. Last 2 digits, if you see, ma, last 2 digits are divisible by 25. So I can take 25 also now. So then 3 is a common factor. 13 is to 19 I can do. Then you're checking for your common factor. 39 is to 57. So it has to be 13 is to 9. Right? Next question. One more chat. 1 second. No, Alina. Alina, there is no calculator for bank exams. Calculator is provided only for 2 exams as of now. One is your CAT exam, second is your GATE exam. No other exam you have calculator, particularly government exams, bank, staff selection commission, insurance, railways, no calculator. Right? Next question. Question number 20. Time starts now. He's talking about some other company F now. Correct answer, Palak. Exact 50 seconds you have taken. Shima, correct answer. I can say 50 only for Shima also. Suhana, 50, more than 55 seconds, correct answer. Vishnupriya, correct answer, 1 minute. Aru, correct answer. Anika, correct answer. Neha, correct answer. Sneha Suresh, correct answer. Naveen, correct answer. AS, correct answer. Pujita, correct answer. Good one. Time up. Trinath, correct answer. Number of caps in F, 25% more than A. So let me take caps. 25% more than A. A, how many are caps? 600. 25% more means it is 125% of A. 125% is 5 by 4. 750. Autos, 20% less than E. E autos are how many? 975 minus 425. So it has to be 550. Right? 550 autos. F is having 20% less than this. 20% means 1 by 5 less. So it has to be 4 by 5 of 550. So 440.
420, sir.
I made a mistake.
Sir, it's asked number of
525.
autos, not caps.
525, not 550.
I made a mistake somewhere. E is asking, sorry. I have taken D, sorry. E. Okay. So how much is E here? So 525. So it is 80%. 4 by 5 of 525. So 5105. So it has to be 420. So if I add these two, 1170. But by mistake, I've taken D, it has to be E. Right? So 20% less means it has to be 80%. 4 by 5 directly I can write. 25% means or more means it is 125%. I can write 5 by 4. Right? So,
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes,
If a number of caps, no, sir, F is 25% means they are not given F, no, sir, cap, then how can we calculate?
F is not saying 25%. Read the complete sentence. F is 25% more than that in A.
Yes, sir.
That means caps of F are 25% more than A. How many are caps of A? That you know, na? 600. So 25% more. So it has to be, you either calculate 25% of this and add, or 25% more means 125%. So it has to be 5 by 4 of 600.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Okay. Time starts now, 21. No, Aru. Check the answer. I think no, Trinath. Which option is? It should be first option, Anika.
25% less, sir.
25% less. First option. Correct answer. Correct answer. Yes. So Sai Durga, Shima, Sneha, Suresh, Priyanka, I missed 1 or 2. Palak, Pujita. Right, ma. Good. You all got the answer in less than 55 seconds. Naveen, correct, ma. Sanjana, correct. Right. Vishnu Priya, correct. Anjana, correct. By what percentage is number of autos in E? How many autos in E? You already done this number, 525. More or less than that in B. B number of autos are how many? 700. 1250 minus 550 is 700. So obviously it is less, percentage less. Difference. So what's the difference here? 175. By opposite of less is larger value, 700 into 100. 7 2s 14, 35, 75. So it is 25% less. Choice 1. Now, generally, caselet, Suhana, correct answer, not Suhana, first option. The 225%. You have to be careful. Sri Lakshmi, correct, ma? Anjana, you have to check your answer. It is not 25% more, it is 25% less, ma. So initial value is less. It is more or less, is asking. So it is, if it is more, you will say percentage more. If it is less, you will find percentage less. So next set is pie chart, ma. Next set is case state, ma. Which one you would like to try, ma? You tell me. Shall we do case state or pie chart, ma? We have 2 more sets, ma. Okay, Suhana, fine. Palak is saying caselet, Suhana is saying caselet. ठीक है. Sanjana saying caselet. Okay, Anjana. A saying caselet. Shima caselet. Sneha caselet. ठीक है. Chalo, we'll do caselet. So what we do is I'll give you that pie chart, ma. That pie chart you take a photo, ma. You can try later on. Pie chart set you can try later on. You take a just screenshot. Ma. This is RRB PO Prelim 2022. RRB PO Prelim 2022. You take a screenshot. You can try these questions later on. Take a screenshot. Each question I will show you. You take a screenshot. Yes, I'll wait. Take a screenshot. Then each question I'll tell you the answers also. Okay. Palak has taken the screenshot. Das, correct? Shall I move ahead? Satya ki Das. Suhana, yes. Das, I'm waiting for you. Okay, fine. 1 second. First question. This is a question number 22. Choice 5. Choice 5. One second. Shall I move ahead? Yes. 23. Choice 3. Choice 3 is the answer. You try later, man. Not now. You try later. Just take it. This is RRBPO 2022. 23. Choice 3. Okay. 24. Choice 2. You make a note of the key also. 24. Choice 2. 24. Choice 2. 25. Choice 1. Okay. 25. Choice 1. Is RRB PO Prelim 2022. 21st question. 21st question is choice 1. Previous set, choice 1. 22 is choice 5. 23 is choice 3. 5 and 3. Okay. Last question, question number 26, choice 3 in pie chart. is choice 1, Suhan. 25 is choice 1. 26 is choice 3, Bharadwaj. 26 is choice 3. Okay. So all of you are eagerly waiting for your case. Shall we move ahead then? Right, Vishnupriya? No, Vishnupriya, don't say thank you. I have not winded up. You want to answer that caselet now? I'll do that. So Palak has answered is 53213, correct? Can you please show 21 again? Okay. Okay. Priyanka 21. 21st question. Okay, sorry. This is 21. Vishnupriya, don't leave. We are doing caselet now. 5 minutes, that's all. It won't take much time.
Okay, sir. I got confused. I thought that the pie chart is starting from 21.
Okay, fine. 26 to 30. Study the following information carefully to answer the questions that follow. This is RRB Clerk 2022. You want key Lenovo 22 to 24? What's your question, Lenovo? See, Palak has posted the key there. Right, I'm moving ahead now. This is a simple caselet. You have to do it as homework, correct? This is a simple caselet. See, if these kind of caselets are given, you can try, but not all caselets. Not all caselets, right? So go through this one, all of you.
Hello, sir.
Anjana, tell me.
Question is not clear.
I have not given question. Questions I will show you little later. Is data visible? Anjana, is data visible?
Left side. Can you place the screen left side?
Screen. One second.
Or down?
Is it
You can
visible?
place it on left side or down.
1 second. 1 second. Now visible?
Okay, okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
It's visible.
Please mute yourself. No? Someone is talking. So mute and talk. No? Trinath,
Sir.
mute. 1 second. No? Just give me 1 second of time. You just meanwhile go through the data. Right, ma? I'm back. Okay. Done. Palak is saying done. Zoom out, sir. Class is over. No, not over. Not over. Not over. Shall we discuss now? All of you? Fine. Okay. Let us see here. Let me see here. Okay. Fine. We got the data here. Everybody saying yes, ma. We will discuss. When you read the case slate, ma, you need to put it in a structured format. So before that, ma, before you put it in structured format, just give a reading. The months of September and October, the total sales of ABC is 750. ABC total 750. Ratio of sales of products in September to October is 2:3. In September, sales of B is 35% of total sales in the month. In October, sales of A is 6 less than sales of B. October ratio of sales of A and C is 12:13. Total sales of A in both the months is 219. Let me see here. I'll put like this: A, B. I know that there are 3 different products. He's talking about 2 different months: September, October. I'll take a total here. I'll come to chart box now. Someone is asking something. Let me take total here. Just taking row wise total, column wise total additionally. So you will get this kind of, this is, once you read the data, you will get the structure number. Correct, Palak. Right. We know the total sales is 750. Total sales in is where is given 750. So it has to be 750. September is to October is in the ratio of 2:3. 2:3. Total sales. So 5 parts 750 means 750 by 5, each part 150. So 150 into 2, this is 300. Very good, Palak. 150 into 3, this is 450. And I know that there's one more point here. September sales of B, 35% of total sales in this month. So B here is 35%. 35 by 100 into 300 in September. 35 into 3, 105. In October, A is 6 less than B. October ratio of A and C is 12:13. October, A is 12x, 13x. And we know that A is 6 less than B. That means B is 6 more than A. 12x plus 6. Now, friends, if I add these 3, it must be 450. 24, 37x plus 6. If I add this column, it must be 450. 37x is equal to 444. 37 ones, 37, 74, 37 twos. So I got x is equal to 2. Any chart there? Correct, Palak. X is equal to 2. When I put x is equal to 2, 12x, sorry, x is equal to 12, 12x will be 144. 12x plus 6, 150. This is 156. We know that total sales of A is 219. So 219 minus 144, this is 175. Sorry, this is 75. This September total is 300. 180. 300 minus 180, this is 120. So if I add this one, this is 255 and this is 276. You add this total, 76, 95, 100, 150. Yes. Row wise total, column wise total should be 750. Once I get this one, I can straight away solve the questions. Correct, Palak. Very good, Palak. Shima, what is 750? Correct. Yes. Fine, I got it. This is your set. This is your table look like this. Right? So, all of you try the first question. Try the first question. What's the answer? So I missed out my timer somewhere. I missed it. 27th, what is the answer? Sorry, 27th, what is the answer? Not 27th, what is the answer? I got the answer. Correct answer, yes. Sneha, correct answer. Sai Durga, correct answer. Priyanka, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. Shima, Palak, correct answers. Correct. Pujita, correct answer. Anchal, correct answer. 60% of total sales of B. Total sales of B are how many? 255. 60% of that. 10%, 25.5. 60% means into 6. 153. Oppo correct answer. Anchal correct answer. Sri Lakshmi correct answer. 28. 28. Correct answer, Krishna. Shima, correct answer. Options are quite far away. You can happily make an approximation. Suhana, correct answer. A is correct answer. Palak. Das, correct answer. Oppo, correct answer. A. Palak, answer. Correct answer. Palak, correct answer. Anchal, correct answer. Fine. Sneha Suresh, correct answer. Sales of A in September 75 is what percentage of C in October? It is straight away 75 by 156. If it is 150, it will be 1 by 2, 50%. 156, it is more than 150. So my answer should be slightly less than 50. Slightly less than 50 among the options, I can say fourth option. No need to simplify also. Don't waste your time. 75 by 150 would be 1 by 2, 50%. 156 means it has increased number. Slightly more. So it has to be answer denominator more means answer should be less, slightly less than 50%. Correct, Bharadwaj. 29th, quickly. Ratio of sales of A and B in September to that of October. September 180, October 294. Six common factors, 6 30s, 6 4s are 24, 54, 6 9s, 30 is to 49. Choice 1. Neha, correct answer. Suhana, correct answer. AS, Palak, Priyanka. Okay, let's move to the next question. Sai Durga, correct. Shima, correct. Pujita, correct. 30, ma. Easy question. I told you before also. Oh, sorry. Correct answer, Palak. AS, Neha. C sales increased by 25%. Bharadwaj, correct answer. 25% increase means it is 125% in November. Pujita, correct answer. Shima, correct answer. 125%, I told you 5 by 4. Suhana, correct answer. So it is 5 by 4 of sales in October. October sales is 156. 4 3s are 12, 36, 4 9s. 150, 45, 195. C increased by 25%. So it has to be 125%. 125% is 5 by 4 of last month. Last question, after this we'll wind up. Easy question, ma. Neha? No. Neha. 9 is correct, but it has to be 9 more. Krishna, correct. A is correct. Bharadwaj, correct. Neha, correct. Fine. Suhana, correct. Shima, correct. Anchal, correct. Palak, waiting for your answer. Sanjana, correct. Pujita, correct. Vivo, correct. Oh, already answer. Sorry, I missed out. You're so fast, so I missed out. Sai Durga, correct. Oppo, correct. Palak, correct. Easy, ma. Average of B and C is how much? More or less than sales of A. 9 more, correct. Naveen. So I can see this is 150, this is also 150, so it is 6 more now. 6 distributed among equally among 2 marks. So this average would become 153. This is 144. So clearly 9 more. Option 3. Anika, 9 more. Correct answer. Naveen, correct answer. Right? That's all, students. See how easy the questions in your data interpretation are. You understand the level of difficulty of the questions is not that difficult in your prelim exam. Main exam, yes, I understand they'll be difficult, they'll be lengthy. So it should not be a difficult thing. I'll upload this in the YouTube channel, Suhana. This entire session I'll upload in the YouTube channel. Don't worry. Right? Okay, Shima, thank you. So hope all of you have followed, ma. Any questions? Okay, Oppo. Thank you. Neelamma, thank you. Thank you, Vivo. Sanjana, thank you. Sneha, thank you. Durga, thank you. Time for bank exams. Okay. Thank you, Alina. Sneha, thank you. Suhana, Chandani, thank you. Priyanka, thank you. Time for bank exam. That's a YouTube channel. Ma. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are uploading videos also there. Ma. Please, question number 30. Someone asked, ma. Take a screenshot. This is our YouTube channel name. Ma. Whatever you are doing now, it is fine. Satya Das. 45 seconds should be fine. Thank you, Pradeep. Anchal, thank you. It is time for bank exams. Time for bank exam. This is our YouTube channel. Priyanka, thank you.
It was fun, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Percentages, you have to learn reciprocal values. Shravani. But this is our YouTube channel. We also have same name Telegram channel. Please do subscribe to our Telegram channel. So daily we are posting some questions on GK, current affair videos, etc. So it will be helpful for you for your upcoming exams. Telegram channel. Also, time for bank exams, YouTube channel. And we also have an Instagram channel. All of your youngsters will be on your Instagram channel. So third option, you know. So you please subscribe to our Instagram channel also. Falguni, thank you. 24, 25, 26 slide. Okay, I'll show you. Thank you for little tricks and shortcut. This helped me a lot. Thank you, Palak.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, that 31 no, sir.
31 is option 3.
Sir, how it came, sir?
I'll explain. Suhana, take a screenshot. If you're done, tell me more. $25. Thank you, Anika. I'm not done my session. Wait. I'll tell you, Neha. Just give me a second. Okay, Suhana. Okay, that's definitely we'll do that. Hama, someone asked me this one. So it is how much more, ma? So obviously this is, he's asking average, na, ma? Average of B and C. I told you 150, 156. You take 150 to 6 more. Distribute 6 equally. It will get 3. It will get 3. So 153. Or 150 plus 156 by 2. 306 by 2. It is 153. So it is 144 na. 153 is how much more? So it has to be 9 more. So ask this question clear, ma? Let me talk to Neha. Neha.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, ma. Neha, if you look at your pie chart, 1 second, ma. I'll come back to your chart, ma. Those who are asking me questions, give me 1 second, ma. Just give me some time. Let me answer Neha's question first. Neha, if you look at your pie charts, ma. Pie chart can be given in percentage. If it is given in percentage, total should be 100%. Pie chart can be given in degrees, Neha. If it is given in degrees, if you add all the degrees, it must be 360 degrees. So friends, I can say 100%. 1 second, ma. Don't shout here, please. 100% is equal to 360 degrees. Total in percentage 100%, it is equal to how many degrees? 360 degrees. Now 10%, just put a point here, 36 degrees. Right? How much is 1%? 1% is equal to, you might say 36 by 10, 3.6, but I'll put it like this. What is 36 by 10? 18 by 5 degrees. 1 degree, send 36 that side, 10 by 36, 5 by 18 percentage. These are conversion factors. If you want to convert percentage into degree, multiply by 18 by 5, degree into percentage, multiply by 5 by 18. Why I'm telling you 5 by 18, 18 by 5, why I'm putting this form is kilometer per hour, meter per second, it is similar, na? So you can remember kilometer per hour into meter per second, 5 by 18, meter per second into kilometer per hour conversion in time and distance is 18 by 5. So this is 25%. How many degrees? 25 into 1% is 18 by 5 degrees. 5 goes 5 times, 18 into 5. If I represent in degrees, it is 90 degrees. Now convert from degrees to percentage, 90 into, if I want to convert into percentage, it is 5 upon 18. 18 goes 5 times, so it has to be 25%. These are my conversion factors. Now I'll complete this series. 5%, half number, 18 degrees. 15%, simple, add these to 10 plus 5. 36 plus 18, 54 degrees. 20%, double of 10%. 36 double, 72 degrees. 30%, 10 into 3, 108 degrees. These are standard which you should remember. 25%, you'll get 20 plus 5 if I add these two. 72 plus 18, 90 degrees. One more way of doing this is 25% number. You can also do like this. It is 25 by total percentage 100. You want to convert into degrees into 360. You can do this way also. If you don't remember conversion factors. 90 degrees, 90 by total 360 degrees, percentage into 100. 1 by 4, it has to be 25%. Hope I made it clear. My name is Hidayatullah Palak. My name is Hidayatullah. If you have any queries, you can also send a mail to, I'll write here. Any general preparation queries. Spelling, you have to be careful. HIDAYAPHULLAH@time4education.com. How to prepare any general queries for SSC, for railways, time4education.com. Be careful with the email address. Okay, Neha. Thank you. Palak, thank you. Right, Madan. See you all. Good night. Take care of yourselves and all the best for your upcoming exams. Please do prepare well and write all the exams that come your way. Definitely, all of you are very bright. I have observed, as I observed, those are answering the questions. Those are the answer, not answering. All of you are very good. So please keep writing all the exams. Definitely you'll succeed. Getting first job is important. Keep that point in mind. Then once you get your first job, automatically you can try for your dream job. It may be your dream job, may be some other thing, SBIPO, RBIPO. First, whatever you get it, you take that and keep trying for your dream job. Do write all the exams, and from time we wish you all the best for your upcoming exams.